The drone just lost the control and like just went down. Hey amigos. Good morning everybody. It is 2:30. No, I woke up 2:30. It is 3 a.m. now. I'm gonna hike the Rainbow Mountain today. I'm the only one in the lobby right now. And it's dark.
The altitude basically is 4,600 meters above sea level.
We just parked here, and even the view from here is amazing. Look at this. There are also so many horses. I hope I can do the hike. The worst case, I'll take a horse.
10 seconds later.
Okay, so I'm taking a horse. Because on the way there won't be horses because we're the first group arriving here. So even from top to here, I was out of breath, so I don't want to risk it. And the horse brings you up to some point, so after that you need to walk anyways. So I don't care, I'm just gonna take the horse and enjoy the view. Oh my god, I didn't even try the hike. That's kind of funny. Oh fuck, I'm gonna be so cold on the horse. I forgot about this. Also look at what she's wearing. It's so cute. Okay, I think this horse has some problems. I don't know about horses, but it just keeps going towards left and there's a cliff on that side. I'm not stressing. And she's making some noises like this. So it's pretty flat in the beginning. This is for the horses and people are walking on the side road here. And my foot is cold. Also, I was thinking about doing Kumantai Lake hike. I don't know if I can. I might just not do it. I mean, in Canada the lakes are similar, so I'm like, do I really need to do it in high altitude and make myself breathless? I don't know, maybe not. Okay, now I need to hike. So my horse is already going back. And where is the Rainbow Mountain, do you think? It's not this one? I don't know.
Maybe we'll see from the other side, I thought.
I'm happy I took doors. When you like stop for 30 seconds, it's fine. But then I just get out of breath again. Hello. Okay. I thought this was bigger. Maybe it's better from there. The view from the top is much better, I think, compared to down there. The Rainbow Mountain looks much bigger. And there are these cute llamas. I'll get pictures with them. ATVs here and a little ramp.
Oh, look at them, it's so cute.
Hola amigos.
Look at them! They're so nice. Now we're going back to where we were, and then from there we're gonna go to the Red Valley. I'm curious about that too. I heard that it's actually a better view. We'll see. We made it. So this is the Red Valley. I thought it was a longer hike, but it was actually short. It was like 15 minutes, 20 minutes maybe. The best thing about here, I think, is like when you look around, they're all different. So in this part, it's just red colored. And then you look here, there's like some rocks. And then you look there, there's some snow. And there's no one here, look at this. This is only our group. Also, I know I took the horse, but it is doable with not hiking shoes. I was asking people and everyone was like, oh, are you gonna hike it here? But like, it's totally doable. I only slid once with these shoes. I knew this would happen one day. The drone just lost the control and like just went down. I think they're gonna grab it for me. I thought it was further, but it's down somewhere here. I can't believe they're going down. Oh my god, he got it.
Yeah, he got it. Look.
Yes!
Oh my god.
He did!
Oh, that's so nice.
That's crazy.
Okay.
The only issue is the propeller is broken, but that's fine. This is the line now for the pictures. That's crazy. It's nice to come early. Okay, the tour is over and I'm back to the city center, and I was just hearing some music here, but then right when I came here it stopped. So he just came nearby and he's painting all of these paints, I guess? I don't know.
Calling chismosas. And this is charcoal. Under with the Inca trilogy. The lady represent the Incas martyrdom.
Okay, I'm getting this one, looking pretty nice.
So there is the Inca trilogy.
Yeah.
The condor represent the peace. The puma represent the power. And the snake represent the sabidury. There is the Andean cross, the 4 direction and the 4 element. And they represent the 12 months of the year. And there is the Apus. The Apus is the big mountains in Cusco. It's for respite, you know? And there is the shaman. Shaman keeping the coca leaves. The coca leaves represent your past, present, and future. And there is the ayahuasca. And there is the San Pedro.
Okay, I'm in the local market again. I actually came here yesterday, but I was too indecisive, so I couldn't get the earring. So I'm gonna walk around again and get an earring. They say it's silver, I don't think so, but I don't know if I'm getting scammed. But anyways, I like the earrings, so I'll get one. I just don't know about the color. We'll see, I'll show you. So the market looks like this. They sell food too. And they're closing now because I came too late. I think I saw some earrings in the entrance there. This one, this one. I was coming to this cafe in the last 3 days. Basically every day I was in Cusco. Also, I got this sweater yesterday. I think I like it. It's cozy. It's this small balcony with this beautiful view. I love this square. That's why I keep coming here. Also, the hostel is very close here. So what I'm trying to do now is arrange what the fuck I'm gonna do after Cusco. So tomorrow I'm going to Machu Picchu and I'm gonna stay in the city near Machu Picchu called Aguas Calientes one night. And after that, I don't have any plan. I think I'm gonna book Amazon tour. So I'm gonna go like towards the Amazon part of Peru and have a 2-night tour with an overnight bus. I'll just like meet with the person I was talking with today, and I think I'll just book it today. It's just, I don't know, we'll see. I have so many questions. But yeah, so this is planning day. And at first I was just like a bit worried about not making friends. When I'm in Cusco, like I met with different people, but like I didn't really like make a friend that I can hang out with over the time I was here. But tonight I just want to chill by myself. Okay, there was more sound coming again. So I left the cafe and there are people dancing and making music. day. So I came to this restaurant and I'm getting alpaca again. Alpaca is amazing and this looks pretty cool. Like this with some veggies. I met with Argentinian dudes in the room. They were playing some music in the room. So they look like fun people. I think they're gonna go out tonight. I was thinking I will just sleep so early today, but like they're just so hyped. So maybe I will go with them. We'll see.